Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami box that I made. See? And check it out. It opens up like this. It's a treasure chest. See? And you can put your gift in there. And this is how it closes up. Oh, it looks like a house like that. See? And this was actually supposed to be my Mother's Day video. I was supposed to upload it on Mother's Day. I mean, that's when I filmed and edited it too. But the internet is acting funny on my computer. It's been out for like days. I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm just using, data on my phone. So I'm filming this video with my phone right now, not my camcorder. So this is the camera I use for my videos. See, it's a nice camcorder. So I'm just using my phone to make this video right now because I can turn my hotspot on and just upload the video on there. Okay, so even though it's not Mother's Day, I'm still gonna just get this video out. So here we go. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square, but you could probably do it from a sheet of printer paper cut square or pretty much any square. All right, so begin right side up and fold in half. Okay, unfold and fold out this way. And I need to make sure I get plenty of videos out too, because the movers are gonna come in a few days. They're coming on Tuesday, so that's 5 days. So I better make sure I get some videos out. Okay, and yeah, unfold and fold to the middle. Okay, unfold and repeat on this side. Okay, now fold this point to the last intersection. So after I get this video done, I'm gonna clean up because I have an appraisal today for my house. Okay, and fold to the middle. I mean, to the nearest intersection. And now take this point and fold it to the last intersection. And fold to the nearest intersection. So yeah, so the video I did with my camcorder for this, I'm just gonna delete that video off of there because I can't really upload it. So I'm redoing it. Okay, unfold and we're gonna repeat that in the other direction. Here we go, so fold to the middle. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up. Okay, and fold to the last intersection. And to the nearest intersection. Okay, and fold to there. And to here. Okay, now don't unfold those two. Fold this up on this crease and fold this down like this. Okay, oh look, we have eyes. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to take this crease here and we're gonna bring it onto this edge like this, see? And make that fold like this. All right, now undo that, pull out this side and bring it on top and do the same thing. So take this crease, make it a mountain and fold it to this edge. Okay, just like this. And now, we're gonna make both at the same time here. Okay, and now let's fold this point in like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this crease right here and we're gonna do the same thing. So bring it onto this edge. And we're making a fold right here. See, just like this. Okay, undo that. Bring this side on top and do the same thing. So make this crease a mountain and fold it to this edge. And we're folding right on here too. Like that. Okay, now make those folds at the same time, make both of them. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a valley fold right on this triangle. And this is kind of tricky to do like this, so I'm gonna actually try and just undo those folds like this. See, there's the triangle right there. And I'm just gonna fold it like this. Oh yeah, this is way easier. So I'm gonna take this point and fold it to that intersection right there. And we're just folding on that triangle. So we're just folding right on that segment, just like that. Okay, and now we make this fold like this. Okay, like that. And same thing on this side too, so we're gonna do it on this triangle. So keep an eye out on that triangle when you unfold it. Like that. Okay, there's a triangle right there. And take this point and fold it to there. And we're just making a crease on that triangle. Like that. Okay, and now we're gonna make the fold again, like this, temporarily. And we're also going to make a fold on this triangle and this triangle. So here we go. And you can actually just keep it like this and do it. So I'm gonna take this point and fold it to here. And I have my finger inside and I'm just pressing on that fold. Like that. And repeat on this side. Okay, just like that. All right, now it's starting to get tricky now. So, what I did with this model, I actually, I folded the edge in to lock it, but I'm actually not going to do that because that's really tricky to do and it's kind of hard to get it on video. So that's actually not necessary. You don't need to do that if you don't want to. So, I'm not going to do it with this model, so, but I'll tell you how to do it though in case you want to, but it's tricky. So it's tricky and messy. So just, see there's an interior flap and just take these two edges and fold them to this edge. That's all I have to say. Okay, but we're just going to try and close it up. So here we go. And fold this flap inside too. We don't want that to show. So folding on this crease here. Okay. And just try and close it up like this. It's kind of a rough box, yeah. But I like the way it closes though, so I think it's pretty cool. Okay, like this. So you grab the house and just try and get it in there. There we go. And it is closed. Look at that. And this is actually nice, just like this. It's a 3D figure. Yep. And it opens. And you can insert your gift inside there and close it back up. And just kind of exercise it until it closes nicely. Like this. Be a little bit tricky at first. See? And it stays closed nicely, just like that. Alright, well that's pretty much it. And for Mother's Day, you can probably write "Open Me" right there. And oh my god, it spins. I just discovered that just now. It spins. Like find a table or desk that's actually smooth. Yeah. Alright, well, there it is. Let me see if this one spins. The peach one. And not as good as this one. Alright, well anyways, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it useful for your Mother's Day gift or something. Even though it's not Mother's Day, Mother's Day was days ago. But yeah, if my internet was actually working on my computer, I would have got that video uploaded a long time ago. So yeah, but anyways, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, if it's Mother's Day for you right now, then happy Mother's Day. Alright, bye-bye.